Hey guys, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with another luxury bag unboxing. I know this is overkill at this point, but honestly, sometimes you just need to treat yourself, and that's what I did. This bag that I'm about to show you is from Gucci. Look how pretty this packaging is, guys. Look, like, I'm just gonna keep the box forever because it's adorable. So, and it's like a double unboxing because if you watch my luxury wish list, I'll link it in the cards below, you'll know that I said that if I buy a bag, it's gonna have to have a matching accessory because I'm Jamaican and we're very matchy people. If you didn't know, now you know, we like to have like matching sets. That's just what it is. Like, that's what it is. You can't have one item without a matching item to go with it. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. So, I have been looking at this bag since my birthday, which was August. So I've been eyeing this bag, and I've been wanting a Gucci bag for a minute, but I didn't really know what I wanted because I didn't want one that was like everywhere to be seen. Like, like the Louis Vuitton Never Full the Speed. They're very like classic pieces that everyone has. I just wanted a bag that was slightly different, that it was Gucci, but it wasn't like everyday Gucci where you could see it all the time. Which no bag is like everyday, but I didn't want a popular bag. So I was super excited for this because this is one of their like traditional bags, but it was different at the same time. Let me get past this because my camera's about to die, and I'm just trying to get this done before I go to work today. But yeah, so let me start off with the smaller piece. It also came in this super really cute box. Look at that. I was super stressed because I ordered my items from Essence in Canada. It's a Montreal department store, I guess. And they sell designers like Saint Laurent, Gucci, Balenciaga, Prada, Adidas, Nike, stuff like that. And I remember hearing about it from a coworker when I used to work back in La Senza days, like 4-ish years ago. And she was telling me how she bought her Gucci last one, and I knew about it, but I was never watching it. And then I spotted this bag and this coin holder, and it was everything. So, as you open up the box, it looks like this. And what I like about the Gucci dust bag, it comes with two. Not like Louis Vuitton. If you didn't watch my triple unboxing, I know that's a lot of money in the last month. I'll put up in the cards right above. But it was worth it because the Louis Vuitton prices increased, and I'm so happy I got it before like the $45 increase on each item that I bought. Whew, child, that's a lot, right? So it comes in one dust bag. It comes in another dust bag. This one doesn't say Gucci on it, which is kind of sad because I think my other one does. Oh, it does say Gucci. What am I talking about? Look, it says Gucci. It's a really nice soft satin kind of material. And the item is the Ophidia round coin purse. It looks like this. What I was super excited about, I think this is from the spring summer collection, because when I was on the Gucci website, they didn't have this at all, and this was like the only place I saw it. And there was a card holder, and homegirl missed out on the card holder. But my friend is going to Toronto, which has an outlet Gucci store, so I told them that they had to go check for me to find this. You can find the coin holder, not the coin holder, the card case for it, so I could have a trifecta and my life would be great and happy and whatnot. Well, yeah, this is the coin holder. I'm super excited. It has like the floral print on it, front and back. It has like the brass gold hardware right there with the double G's hanging down. Ooh. Hanging down right there. It comes stuffed with the authenticity information. And what is also nice, it says made in Italy on the little yellow tab that's in there. It does have like a chain, so you could attach it to your bag, which is nice. So on the picture of the model, if it's still up, I'll link it. Hold on. So you can pull it out and lock it. On the chain of the model, the picture of the model wearing the bag, this is attached on the outside. And I think in this, like, I don't really carry coin, but it could fit. Nope, it doesn't fit a lip gloss, so I don't know what I put in it. Honestly, maybe gum, my ear pods, coin, cash. I don't know. I haven't really tested it out to see what it can hold because I've had it about 3 weeks now because I was waiting for the purse. I could do the unboxing so I could show y'all the cute item I got because I was really excited. And lately I have been nothing but watching luxury unboxings because they give me joy to see other people super excited. Like, I watch the smaller YouTubers that, you know, do it like every once in a while, not those big YouTubers that are unboxing something at least once a week because that's a little hectic and that's a little much. And that's a lot of money to be spending on something new every week. Just saying. And then the other one, like I said, came in this really nice big box. I'm going to keep these boxes forever because they are so adorable. So this one came all nicely wrapped with tissue paper in there as well. It also came in like double dust bag. Gucci's on the bottom of this one. It's drawstring. It also came in another like linen dust bag, which is just plain white. And here it is, y'all. Look at the beautiful purse. It is so gorgeous. Like, I'm so in love. It looks exactly like the coin pouch, but on steroids. Look how cute this matching set is. It's like adorable. Oh, I should have brought scissors. I didn't bring scissors, so that's a struggle right here. Let's see. So it also comes stuffed. I might keep the stuffing so when I'm not using the bag, I can keep its shape. But it's a sturdy canvas. It was also made in Italy, so that's what it looks like. Bam, bam, bam. That's the inside. When getting it, I was stressed that it wouldn't fit my phone because I just got the iPhone 12 Pro. What it does with room. So once I start wearing it, I'll probably come back with a little like 3-month update, 6-month update, I don't know yet, and letting you know what fits in it here. Because if you saw my Louis Vuitton unboxing, I got the key pouch, the mini pochette accessoire, and the 6 key ring holder. I think all of that except the mini pochette will be able to fit in here and still have space for other things. Let me unhinge this real quick, or unpackage this. This is the chain on it. I like that it's gold hardware here. Then it has the leather strap here to make it super comfortable. Like, I'm so excited for this bag, y'all. You don't even know. Like, I'm so excited. So that's what it looks like. I'll try to add mod shots in on here this weekend so I can add into the video. And the zipper's not too tight. I think I just need to work with it a bit more. And what I was saying about the coin purse, in the promo picture, the key ring was the key pouch. Not the key pouch, the coin pouch was hanging on the outside of it, so when they were wearing it, it hung down like that. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear it like that. I might just keep it on the inside. I don't know yet, but I'm super excited that I have it because it's adorable, guys. It's such an adorable piece. It's a nice Gucci piece. It's not something that you'll see everywhere because it's yellow. I feel like not a lot of people like yellow purses. I love yellow purses. Yellow isn't my favorite color, but accessory-wise, it's gorgeous. Like, it fits with my skin tone really well. So I'm super excited for this item, y'all. I think I'm gonna be done my luxury shopping for the most part until like my birthday or maybe my graduation. So I'll be graduating in April. So I might treat myself something that I don't know. I need to chill though. But like I said, I was going away. I am going away this weekend. I don't think I said in this video. I said in my Marc Jacobs tote bag. That should be up here before this one. I'll link it up in the cards below, above, so y'all can see. But I recently went to Edmonton with my sister for a day trip, and it had a Tory Burch outlet, and I found a card holder because I wanted a new card holder. If you watch my Louis Vuitton one, I said I couldn't get one for Louis because it was sold out. I wasn't just gonna buy one just to buy one because that's not what I do for the most part. And I found a Tory Burch one, and there was a purse that I wanted, but I didn't get it because I was like, I don't know what I'll think on it. So if I go back to the mall and it's there, then I'm probably gonna get it because it's a nice black simple bag, and then I'll show you the one I got because why not? That's what I'm currently doing. I'm spending all my money for no reason other than to have pretty things or whatever. But if you like this kind of video, definitely subscribe so you can see more from me. It is gonna slow down once like February hits, guys. Like I'm not gonna be like unboxing luxury every other week, I promise, because I don't even like watching people that unbox every week. So I'm gonna try to space it out so it's not like every week. It might be every week for like the first part of the January going into February, so I apologize because that could be taken as being bragging. No, I'm just super excited. I don't ever buy luxury, so I'm excited to share with you what I got, and hopefully you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Follow me on all my social media. It will be all listed down below. And I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, y'all.